What in the... I can get my fingers through them. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Callum. I do tech, lifestyle and gaming content and have a lot of product reviews so you guys know what you're buying into. Starting off the year with some crazy looking headphones. These are open back. Now normally your open backs don't really look like this. They have a casing on the back, but these are true open back headphones. Now let's go over the little bits about this that make it what they are and why they are so unique. One, obviously, you can already tell the style of these headphones are not your typical headphones. So these are closed back headphones. As you can see, it's plastic backed and all of that, and they're just cupped over the ears, over the ear headphones or whatever you want to call them. And obviously that helps with noise cancellation and just honing in the sound of the headset. Now, yes, they are plastic, they are flimsy, but they do the job. But these ones are open back, so it allows you to hear the environment. So if you are walking down the street and you've got these on, you're gonna know if there's a car coming, you're gonna hear people say, excuse me, or just lets you be aware of your surroundings, because a lot of the times you see people wear headphones walking down the street and they don't even realize that there's a bike behind them trying to get past or whatever it is. So these are great for that purpose of just being involved in your environment instead of just being closed off to yourself with over-the-cup headphones with noise cancellation. But another feature about these are the little tilting earpieces. Now they direct exactly into your ear canal to give you the best quality. So in a sense, they're like IEMs, in-ear monitoring. So basically what that means, it goes directly into your ear canal, giving you, again, the best possible quality, sound, audio, bass, treble, all of the good stuff, highs, mids, lows, all the little fiddly bits in between the music frequencies and all that. IEMs are amazing at doing that. And now with this technology that they have got inside here, allowing you to directly pinpoint this into your ear canal to bounce around and just flow on in, giving you crisp audio. And when I tell you, these things give some of the crispest audio you will ever hear from a pair of open back headphones. I can't lie, they do give you some insane feeling. And then obviously if you do turn them while in your ear, it sort of muffles it a bit so you can hear a bit more of your surroundings, and then you can turn them back into your ear and it's just like that, straight back in your earpiece, sounding crispy. Now obviously with every pair of headphones there are flaws. So what are the flaws of these? There is no jack. There is no audio jack to plug this directly into a PC, a laptop, phone or music player, whatever it is. So they are Bluetooth only. They do have a USB-C port at the bottom which you can connect to a computer, but again, it's not that reliable. It doesn't give you the best possible audio quality, and like every pair of Bluetooth headphones that I've ever used, they are delayed. If you listen to anything through Bluetooth headphones from YouTube, on a PC, on a Mac or whatever it is, sometimes you'll notice, a lot of the times I actually find I notice, Bluetooth headphones just can't keep up with the audio coming from the PC or laptop, whatever it is. And it just is that slight bit delayed from when they speak to when you hear it. With music though, obviously you're not watching something, so it doesn't matter when you hear the music because it's still coming at the same tempo, the same beat, the same frequency, everything's coming the same, it's just not exact. When you see someone speak, you will notice it. When you listen to music, it will sound fantastic. With these, the build quality, I will say, is insane. They are super bendy, and I don't know how they've done that, but I don't want to put it that way because I'll end up snapping it, but they're super bendy, flexible, and durable. You can adjust the height of them, and obviously with them being so flexible, any head size is perfect as well. Now the one thing I will say is you can't fold them in, so if you want to go traveling, they will have to go around your neck, but they are so lightweight, it feels literally like you've got maybe half a can of Coke. It's not heavy at all, and once they're around your neck, you don't feel them. They're comfy, they're stylish, and they're also just so unique. So let's now start with some specs. So with the NWM ones, they seamlessly integrate your music into your daily life with its 12mm driver for its high and mid frequencies, and then a 35mm driver for the low frequencies, which allows you to offer natural background like audio through its open ear design, keeping you connected with the surroundings. Its unique over ear design provides ventilation with light cushion support for a comfortable fit and no feeling of compression. Enjoy the comfort of forgetting you're even wearing headphones. You can also personalize your sound experience, enjoy private music in public with no sound leaking, and customize the functionality of your NWM ones from the dedicated app, which allows you to change the equalizer settings, the LED color, noise reduction, and boost multi-point connection functions. But that's not everything about this headset. it actually has a built-in microphone. So when it comes down to natural conversations in person or online, the open ear design lets you hear your own voice while your music or the people on the video call actually sound like they're in the room with you. So the headset has two microphones. They are omnidirectional, or MEMs for a lot of people that know what they are. They have approximately 20 hours of battery life with only a 1.5 hour charging time. So roughly 5 minutes of charging gives you around an hour's of use. It also has multi-pairing, allowing up to 8 devices, and multi-point, allowing up to 2 devices. It's on one of the higher versions of Bluetooth, which is 5.3, and the frequency response is from 40 Hz to 20,000 Hz, and again it's USB-C charging. So there's one thing extra to talk about this, and that's not actually put on the website that I could find. It's called Magic Focus Voice. Basically what that means is the driver in the microphone picks up your voice as clear as possible without any background noise getting in. It's sort of like a noise suppression, if you will, for the microphones. Now because I am using my camera, I can't physically test this, but there have been videos out online that you might be able to find where someone's used the microphone in the headset. But unfortunately, because again, I'm using the camera, I can't test that. When it comes down to these, they are just a pair of headphones. Yes, that's the same. A lot of companies out there make the exact same headphones, just not in this unique style, this lightweight and this comfortable, because again, there is no bone construction in this. It is literally the flimsiest thing going, but yet it's very durable. It doesn't feel like there's anything on your head. After about an hour's use, you probably will forget it's even there. And that's what I like. I don't like having something that's sort of suffocating my ears or just makes me feel very closed in. These do give you that freedom. So I definitely do recommend, if you're looking in the market for open ear headphones, that you want something that's a bit more of a unique style, or that probably just gives you the best audio experience, then definitely pick up these. Now, if you are in the market for open ear headphones that you're going to be sitting down at a desk, working, editing and things like that, I wouldn't pick these up because again of that delay. I tried editing a video with wearing these and for some reason I just couldn't, because the slight delay between the voice and the video just put me off. I kept cutting wrong parts, I kept skipping bits, and it just didn't work out in my favor. When it comes to listening to music, when I'm sitting reading a book about photography or something, they are amazing. I love them, can't fault them for that. But when it comes to editing videos, they're just not the ones. So choose carefully when it does come down to your headphones. If they are Bluetooth only and you're a video editor, I probably would not recommend it. Definitely go for something that has the jack that you can plug into an audio mixer or directly into the PC. Just for that fact alone, you do not want to have to go through the trouble of trying to make your brain think that you're speaking at the right point when you're really not, because the headset's not picking that up properly. I think that's pretty much everything that I can explain about these. Again, the build quality is fantastic. It's like a very hard plastic on the outside, but then you do get these, it's not even a foam, it's more like a PCB plastic, or I don't even know, silicone maybe? Is that what that's called? I don't know, but it's literally like a ball of air and it's super comfy. And then with the head strap, again, it's like the same texture of a bouncer. You know, the kids' toy that you sit on with the little ears and you bounce around. It's the same texture. It's literally that. It's just really comfortable rubber that does its job amazingly. So with that being said, I'm going to leave it up to you. If you want to go and check these out, there will be a link down in the description. I'm not going to tell you the price because a lot of the products that I do videos for go on sale, and I don't want to give you a price that's not the actual price when you're viewing this video. So if you want to go check the price, there's a link in the description you can go to and just see the price for yourself. Now they are on the expensive side, but they are worth it for music listeners 100%. I can't fault them. But I'll leave it up to you. But let me know in the comments your opinions and thoughts on this open ear back headphone, crazy design, super flexible headset. And if it's something that you would pick up if you're in the market for headphones like this. But other than that, my name's been Callum. If you enjoyed this video, or if it gave you some sort of value or helped you decide in any way if these are for you, let me know by leaving a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It really does help the channel grow. We're trying to hit 100k this year. I really appreciate the support and the love. And I'll see you all in the next one. Capture, Create, Captivate. Catch you next time.